कोलवा दर्यादेगेर भटक्या सुण्यांचो वावर वाडला। या भटक्या सुण्यांक लागून दर्यादेगेर येवपी पर्यटक तशेंच थळाव्यांक धोको निर्माण जाला। हे विशीं पर्यटकांनी हुस्को उक्तायला। भटक्या सुण्यांचो वावर वाडिल्ल्यान पर्यटकांच्या सुरक्षेचो प्रस्न उप्रासला। तशेंच हाका लागून दर्यादेग पर्यटनाचेर परिणाम जावं येता अशें पर्यटक सांगतात।
कोलवा दर्यादेगेर भटक्या सुण्यांचो वावर वाडला। ही सुणी पर्यटकांचेर तशेंच थळाव्यांचेर हल्लो करतात। भटक्या सुण्यांचो वावर वाडिल्ल्यान पर्यटकांच्या सुरक्षेचो प्रस्न उप्रासला। हाका लागून दर्यादेग पर्यटनाचेर परिणाम जावं येता अशें पर्यटकांनी उक्तायला। तशेंच भटक्या सुण्यांचेर नियंत्रण हाडपा विशींचे नेम सारके चालीक लावना अशें पर्यटकांचें म्हणणें। भटक्या सुण्यांचो प्रस्न सुटावो करचो म्हूण थळाव्यांनी संबंदीत प्रशासना कडेन मागणी केल्ली, मात अजून हो प्रस्न सुटावो जाल्लो ना अशें कळटा। भटक्या सुण्यांचो प्रस्न सुटावो करचो म्हूण पर्यटकांनी मागणी केल्या।
I come to Colva beach every day. Now I live in Majorda, but I like this beach. That's why I come here every day. There are a lot of dogs. Really, I like dogs. I don't want them to kill. I don't want this. But there are a lot of them, and not every people love them. One of the dog bit me in my finger and in my leg. I don't know what to do. And the boomerang team helped me. They drive me to the hospital. I got injections, and later I will have to do one more injections. What else? This beach is good, really good, but two problems: dogs and sometimes smell from the fish. I don't want that anyone kills these dogs. Maybe some shelter, maybe someone who help them, because I like dogs very much. I really like them. This must not be dogs, because any people afraid of them. Some people could be bited by them. That's not okay, I think. I want the government keep away the dog from the beaches, because a lot of people afraid of the dog, and the tourists must be in safety. It's in safety, and it will be great then if government could organize a shelter for dogs. I don't want them to kill. I love dogs, but the dogs must be on beaches. They must be in shelters and in houses with their owners.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर रिपोर्टर गौरांग मळकर्णेकार।